got. There's so much more, there's such a lot. Here at SM, we've got it all.
As long as you can provide what they need, what they want, and they will always come back.
Philippine company that is invested in market leading course. Okay. At pag-aaralan na rin pala natin by Uniqlo is one of the business branch of Mr. Henry C.
Ang pagsisikap ay hindi madali yan. Kailangan nito ng disiplina, good practice at hard work. Sumuko na! Madami na akong laban na inarap. Ultimo gera! Implipay! Try again! And challenge is an opportunity.
Henry C., the king of Philippine business.
And Meg Kakapotted.
The luxury segment, we have that.
Property across CCF.
Businesses in this region.
Neg Tutu Long and Dadet Neg Mamahalan. Disciplina at Casapagan.
Well, of course, my father first took in National University. It is his advocacy to really make a school.
Para sa tunay na pagunlad. And Malupet na Meg Kakapatid. At an Moxiong Tate.
Better ideas, the new better ideas.
One for all to serve the people and its economy. Ninong TV proudly presents with a special slides made from Roy Kinesa channel and Harinang Negocio. At an Manga Princesa at Principenang Pog Negocio. With your host, Denver Ninong Castro as Henry C. Anim para sa Layat para sa Anim. Studying SM's Manila South Coast Development Corporations and Henfels Investments Corporations, and to discover how the siblings of Henry C. do their action of business to serve the people and its economy. Simulcast on Ninong TV February 26, 2025, and also presented by Roy Kinesa YouTube channel, our vlog partner for slides development.
Welcome to Ninong TV, your live watching for Facebook, subscribe. And today is another action of learning the businesses of your friendly ang malapit with our doctrines of businesses to discover yung kanya mga 100 plus activity and services businesses na hindi lang po SM ang meron siya, kundi marami pang ibahan. At ang title ng tatalakay natin for today's video ay anim para sa lahat para sa anim. Ano kaya meron dito sa anim para sa lahat? Studying SM's Manila South Coast Development Corporation and Henfels Investment Corporation, and to discover how the siblings or yung mga anak niya of Henry C. do their action as business to serve the people and its economy. So ito kanyang anim na Junakis na kasama sila ngayon nagpapatakbo ng mga naiwang legacy ng Tito Henrio. Yun naman pala. Siyempre, hindi naman natin maiwasan mapag-aaralan pa rin natin dito ang ating Tito Henry, lalo na itinagulong niya yung mga businesses dito ng Manila South at yung kanyang chemicals investment. But later on, we will discover how his siblings o yung mga anak niya na ngayon ay nagpapa-operate or nagpapatuloy ng nasimula ng kanilang Daddy Henry. Okay? So for today's video, pag-aaralan natin ito, very interesting sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam. My goodness, ang dami talagang businesses ng Tito Henrio. Biruin nyo, aside sa video niya, aside sa mga SFDC, meron pa siyang Manila South Coast Development. Ano ang ginagawa ng mga ito? At Henkel's Investment. So ngayon, pag-aaralan natin ang special video vlog na ito. At ngayon, nandito pa rin ako sa Paul na Cafe. Dito na ata ako natulog. Dito na anyway, this is a venue of our video vlog na para na rin nag-simulator. Para medyo maiba naman ang venue ng ninong nyo. We are studying his businesses while exploring other business partners. Okay, so muna, ito, kung taga Maynila ka, ito, Manila South Coast Development Corporation. Ang meron dito, a subsidy of SMIC or a subsidiary of SMIC with 324 likes to talking about engage in community outreach. This NSDC is a non-stock, non-profit company. Developments for resorts, malls, condo, and CSR. So, ito yung kanyang development. Franchised by NBC, government in 2005 and development. All developed for in 2016 to 2022. So, ito, sa kanyang Manila South pala, ipinranchise niya to noong 2005 at this is the under by the government yung mga Manila South Development, yung mga paggawa ng mga real estate, mga condo bahay, ay nagpa-franchise siya noong 2005 at na-develop noong 2016 to 2022. Wow! At ngayon nagpapatuloy ang kanyang pagpapatayo at pag-i-improve ng kanyang mga resorts, malls, condo, and CSR promoter. Maganda palang akita itong Manila South Coast. Ikaw ay nagpapagawa ng mga development, at the same time, you are also helping the people. Like that. So you will check out our Manila South Coast Development Corporation under by your Tito Henry. Check it out. Here at MSDC or Manila South Development Corporation, creating CSR projects, also malls, condo, and other resorts that is connected in Cebu. This is a project made by your HEDRC and the C Bank and working until in the future. The malls, condominium, and homes resort properties partnership with SMIC, and that is what called Manila South, the decorated projects along Manila to serve the people and the country. That's the action of your Tito Henry. Manila South Coast. Kayo naman po, meron tayo dito madi-discover yung kanyang Henkel's Investment Corporation. Kung kayo ay nakapag-invest na sa kanyang other activity, eto, sa Henkel's Investment Corporation, ano nga bang meron sa investment na to ng Tito Henrio at ano ang development or ambag nito sa ating taong bayan na under ng kanyang 100 plus businesses. So, dito sa Henbels is Banco de Oro Universal Bank o banking arm of retail tycoon Henry C. has set up to 100 pesos million credit card subsidiary to further augment has the activity of investment holding business investment and is located at SM Corporate Office Building A, 100 Bay Boulevard. Oh, okay. So ito po ay franchise din ng Tito Henry para mapalakas yung kanyang investment. So, kita nyo naman, lahat naman ang kinikita ng Tito Henry natin, hindi naman literal na napupunta sa ating bulsa or napupunta sa bulsa niya, rather sa kanyang family. Kundi, ito rin pala ay kanyang sinishare to create business and to create activity to serve the people and the economy. Okay. So, for the next episode, ito, mati-discover natin ang tungkol sa Henbels Investment Corporation. Okay.
Come on in, look at what we've got. There's so much more, there's such a lot. Here at SM, we've got it all.
I-share yung mga tsuhin mo. You have a first tsuhin na ipapakilala sa amin dito?
My first Tito is Tito Germain.
Oh, that's something interesting. Sino siya? Bigyan natin ng konting space yung tsuhin. Tsaka si Christian.
His Tito Germain.
His name is Tito Germain. Oh. Okay, where's your Tito Germain, Christian? Wow! Okay, yan na. So, your Tito is a businessman din pala, ha? Tito Germain, hello. Welcome to Ninong TV. Welcome to the segment of our program, and this is the
Hello, Mayuhe, Philippines. I'm Germain, business uncle man. My business is internet and automobiles.
Oh, internet business and car business. Oh, di ba ka rin palang nagmumubit? May sasakyan. Anong kotse yun? Pangpasada rin ba? Kasi ang topic natin, may isang super sa SF.
Personal cars for the family and business.
Pang-family car. Okay, you have your business car and internet businesses. Aba, okay yan, Tito Germ. Kanyang businesses ay load, mga internet, ay, mga SIM card, gano'n. That's nice, Tito German, tsaka kotse. Sige.
You and Uncle Dot is also a businessman.
So you have another tsuhin or Tito. His name is
Tito Mandy.
Tito Mandy. Kanta yun na. Kanta ni Barry Manilow. Okay. So, and I need you today, oh Mandy. When you feel... Basta. Saan ang tsuhin mo? Napakanta na tuloy ako. Ayun! Tito Mandy. Hello! Okay. So, ito yung pangalawang tsuhin ni Christian. Ang dami mo namang tsuhin. Ang big time talaga tong angkan ni Christian. No? Puro businessman. So, kung ito si Tito Germain, ang business niya mga kotse tsaka mga internet. Ikaw po, Tito Mandy, ano po ang businesses nyo? And by the way, welcome to my Ninong TV of NSC's The King of Philippine Business Program.
Good day to all of you. My business is real estate house and lot.
Real estate, mga pabahay. Oh, maganda yan. Kailangan natin ng bahay. So, maganda rin naman pala itong mga businesses mo ng tsuhin mo, Christian. I refer pag graduate mo, kumuha ka na rin ng business administration or e-commerce. Gayahin mo itong mga tsuhin mo. Diba sa inyo ka pa nag-aaral.
Wait lang po, my third uncle is now coming
Meron ka
your
pang
way.
isang tito? Aba, my goodness, ako kinakabahan ako dito sa mga tsuhin ni Christian. Pero mo, meron ka na ang tsuhin na may real estate.
may-ari ng mga kotse load. Meron pang isa. Aba, grabe. Kita mo nga naman tong angka ni Christian. Minsan napitan ko nga to. Okay. So, meron ka pang isang tune-in. Eh, sino naman siya? Akala ko dalawa lang to. At tatlo ba? Naku, puro tycoons pala ang mga tune-in nito. Oh, ako isa lang tune-in ko. Si Tito Henry yun. Okay. Eto tatlo. Grabe talaga to si Christian. Oh, sino ba tong pangatlo na to?
His name is Tito Haynes, the richest uncle among the two.
Oh, Tito Haynes, ha? Haynes. Ipatatak ng brief yun. Akala nyo ng ano. Oh, Haynes. Oh, may Mandy, may Jermaine. Ito, Haynes. Oh. Asan na ba ang Tito Haynes mo? Asan siya? At anong mga businesses niya, if ever? Okay. Mukhang ito ata yung pinaka-big time na lang. Sa lahat ng Joy ni Christian, no?
He is the richest Tito that I ever have. Wait, Lang PUH is on the way now.
Oh, tama nga. Itong pinaka-big time niya raw na chewing. Oh, kung ako sa'yo, eh, hay-hay ng buhay ko niyan. Puro bigatin yung pamilya mo, eh. Oh, sino ba? Saan na ba ang ating huling guest? Si Tito Haynes. Nasaan na ang pangatlong tune-in ni Christian? Wow! Grabe! Tito Haynes, Ininong Philippines. Grabe ang lupit ng introduction mo Parang hindi naka-leather jacket pa, naka-motor pa. Yung dalawa, panis. Joke lang. Okay. So welcome to Linong TV, Tito Haynes. O ayan, ang ikatlong tune ni Christian. Eto si Tito Jermaine may business na internet tapos kotse. Si Tito Mandy, all about real estate. Kayo po, Tito Haynes, may business ba kayo? Ano bang property na meron kayo dyan?
We've got it all for you. I have 100 plus businesses to serve the people and its economy.
Kakabugin mo pa si Tito Henry ko, ha? Kaya ka rin kay Henry siya. Okay. Ano bang business mo, Tito Haynes? Pira. Sige, state
My
niyo po.
businesses are .malls, .realestate, .banks, .hotels, .resorts, .foods, .terminal, .cinema, .airplanes, .ships, .corporate office.
6.5 hours later.
Teka po.
.electricity business, .mining company.
Medyo kulang na po tayo sa oras. Baka pa umabot tayo ng overtime neto at magkaroon pa tayo ng part 2 kung papagitin nyo lahat ng businesses nyo. Anyway, Tito Haynes, maraming salamat. And of course, sa mga tune ni Christian, tingnan nyo nga naman, no? Puro mga bigatin si Tito Jermaine, na may business sa internet and kotse, and si Tito Mandy for the house and lot businesses, real estate. At ang inyong Tito Haynes na may planong kabugin ng Tito Henry nyo, huwag mo nang gawin. Okay. Tito Henry, my goodness. Hindi pa ako natatapos sa mga 100 plus businesses niya. May dumagdag pa. Tatagdag pa yung Tito Haynes ni Christian. But anyway, just kidding lang. Mga bigating tiyugin to. Tingnan nyo naman mga dating. Parang pang Hollywood, ha? Okay. So, nakilala na po natin ang tatlong tiyugin ni Christian, our AI body from NTP Corporations. Invite mo in mga tiyugin mo. Baka gusto
Okay,
nila
we will
mag-work
try.
sa
Thanks
akin,
for today's video.
At kung may plano silang ihayag yung mga businesses nila, ikaw nang gumawa, Christian. Ninong nyo, marami pang gagawin.
Patapos pa nga lang po sa business ng T-Tracer nyo eh. Meron pang 30 plus na natitira. My goodness, from what I see. Presyo para sa iyo, presyo para sa kanya, at presyo para sa ay dito. Freebies, the buy one take one, and CSR for the customers and for the people.
Yes, and also Miniso is a Korean store.
Alam na alam mo, Bibi,
Of course, I've been watching Miniso videos in Korea or Japan. Japan has a Miniso.
It looks that's you.
Hey!
Okay, let's go na daw. Tawag na daw tayo.
Camera off
me! Thank you.
Here at SM, we've got it all for you.
The Henpels Investment Corporation is an investment made by your Henry C. This is the partnership with his banks. Of course, to create investment to serve the people, the economy, and to improve the business and the lifestyle of all Filipino people. Under by SM Corporate Office that he belongs for this office at all of Asia. The services that he did behind of our future is depend on this one, and this is called his Henpels Corporation. Okay, just discover once again yung ating Manila South Coast at saka yung ating Henpels Investment Corporation. So ngayon naman po madi-discover natin yung trabaho na ginagawa ng ating mga C-families, yung mga anak niya. At madi-discover na naman natin dito once again si Christian. Christian. Ayan. So,
hi, good day. I'm back again.
Okay. So, ano bang isi-share ko ngayon dito? Kasi ngayon, isi-share ko is yung ating siblings o siblings na ano ba yung mga ginagawa nila for retail and for business na sila ngayon yung nagpapatuloy ng masimulan ng daddy nila.
After you meet my 3 uncles, you will meet my brother.
Ngayon natin madi-discover ang kapatid ni Christian. Ba, ito daw mas pogi pa daw sa kanya. Ba, sino kaya yan? But anyway, dito muna po tayo sa ating mga symbols. Kaya ito nga pong title natin is family oriented. Anin para sa lahat para sa atin. So, later on, you will check it out.
And better ideas, the new and better ideas. I talk for excellence in performance. My basic strategy is to stick to my core business and to the area of expertise. My message is all delicate, retail, tourism, entertainment, shopping center.
Businesses in this region, but of course there'll be more competitions.
Yes.
It depends upon how the government views the whole thing. If they're going to move in the pace of our ASEAN neighbors, then there's no problem. But if we're going to move much ahead, open up much earlier and not at the same pace, then I think some
property across CCF Maine was up for bidding. I threw in a ridiculous bid, which was literally a shot in the dark. But lo and behold, we won the bid. So I called up Bishop Peter if he wants to share one half, because CCF is fast expanding into education. The good bishop agreed, because he can see with education, CCF can plant the seeds to many, especially at their formative years. CCF, as I understand, will be putting up a Christian university and training academy.
The luxury segment, we have that. We have also the business hotel segment. So that's, so far, this is what we have. We have the convention centers, and we not only have it in Manila, we have it in places like Bacolod. We are planning to build more convention centers, because convention centers invite people also from out of the country for conferences, conventions here, or into the hotels. And I would say in the next 3 years, at least 2 or 3 more of the...
Well, you see, I've been doing this in Manila or in the Philippines. And I believe that it has to be a collaboration between the government and the private sector. There is just no way you could do anything alone, especially for disaster resiliency.
And you talked about 5 points. Could you mention something about that?
Well, the 5 points, I don't have the notes right now.
No problem.
Because we
the general direction that general direction that this is heading towards.
First is really getting to in terms of the build. How do you call this? The building process is how to encourage the private sector to be involved or be conscious with disaster resiliency. That is one of the main points that we have emphasized.
This win is really, I can only say I'm very happy with this win for the school, for the students, for the players, and for all those who supported the team. Of course, my father first took in National University. It is his advocacy to really make a school or make studies really affordable. And when we took in National U, the first things that we saw are description about the team. They would say it's a perennial doormat. And my father was saying, no, we got to change that. And the image and no.
Not everything I do is purely for money, of course. As a businessman and as head of publicly listed companies, we have to earn. But at this point in my life, there are other considerations more important besides just money. From your Henry C. giving you my action of serving the people and its economy, and thank you to all of my 6 children for your help and hard work. Your daddy is always there guiding you in every missions you do. God bless, and let's serve happy and great.
Okay, thank you for watching. Ito po, madidiscover na natin after natin makita ang mga trabaho ng mga siblings sa business, pinagpatuloy nila yung services ng daddy nila. And then, na-discover na rin natin kung ano meron sa Henfield, anong meron sa Manila South ng inyong Tito Henry. Ngayon po, madidiscover natin yung CSR ng inyong Tito Henry. The CSR of the siblings and the CSR of their Manila South and Henfield Investment Corporation. Give them a thank you for watching and God bless all of us. At dito po natapos ang ating programang Amin para sa lahat, lahat para sa amin. So, studying SM Manila South Coast Development Corporation and Henbels Investment Corporation, and we discover the civilians of NBC do their action of business to serve the people in the economy. So, naway may natutunan kayo sa ating inihandog na video. So, ngayon pala, bago tayo mag-ending, ipapakilala mo na yung kapatid mo. Sige, magkilalaan tayo ng konting 3 minutes. At itong pinagmamalmas pogi pa sa'yo.
Now I will share my brother Kaya Denver. Watch and be amazed, and he's more handsome than me.
Ipapakilala mo na yung kapatid mo. Sige, magkilalaan tayo ng konting 3 minutes. At itong pinagmamalaki mong kapatid, mas pogi pa sa'yo. Okay? At anong pangalan niya muna, by the way?
His name is Sherwin. My youngest brother.
Sherwin. Sherwin. Oh, parang win na win ka sa kapatid mo. Okay, so mga kababayan, mga kaibigan, in our video vlog, madidiscover na po natin ang buong angka ni Christian, kapatid na si Sherwin. Okay, so nasa na ba yung kapatid mo? At talagang excited na ako ma-meet yung brother na pinagmamalaki mo. Okay. Yan ang iyong kapatid. So, talagang good moving ang iyong kapatid na si Sherwin. Hello. Welcome to Ninong TV. So, talagang ibang-ibang mukha. Mukhang foreigner itong kapatid mo. Baka kapatid mo ba talaga yan? Baka ano yan, ha? Other genes, ha? Baka po. Magpaka-hindi. So, tignan mo naman ikaw, mukha kang Chinese, and then your brother looks America. Wow. So, how are you, Sherwin?
Hi, my name is Sherwin. I'm also a business student, and I want to become a businessman.
So, that's nice. At nakilala na rin natin ang buong angkan ni Christian. Minsan, Christian, pwede ko bang makasama ko si Sherwin, maglaro kami sa mga arcade?
Sure, Kaya Denver. Is always free, just ask me for the schedule.
Partner, sakto, business student siya. Para pwede siya sa akin mag-guest, ha? Okay. That's nice, ha? Sherwin and Christian, ang dalawang magkapatid. At itong promote. Sherwin.
I am also selling foods business. Like peanut and Atra also in Budido.
Kita mo nga naman, yung businessman pala ito. Anong mga business mo, mga food product? Just like
I'm selling peanut butter and Atra and in Budido, Kuya Denver.
Ay, masarap yan. Peanut sa tsara, imbutido. Yun, no? Minsan, bibili ako sa mga paninda mo. Okay, so that ma-promote natin yung mga product ni Sherwin under Mila Christian kung product na ito. Magkano ba yan? 130 to 160 lang. Ito yung mga presyo. Itas ko pa talaga yung presyo mo, no? Okay, 130 lang yung peanut at tsara. Tapos yung mga imbutido chicken, 140, 160 yung imbutido. Alam mo, parang connected ka sa akin kasi may kilala din akong ganyan. My best friend, ha? Okay. So, anyway, maraming salamat sa inyo, mga kanek Christian. At tignan nyo nga naman, mga business-minded, parang Tito Henry nyo. At sakto, pinag-aaralan natin dito, anim para sa lahat, lahat para sa anim. Itong dalawa sa dalawa. Okay, serving the people and the economy. Dito po nagtatapos ang ating video vlog. Subscribe din ng TV for only 150 pesos and 80 pesos per subscriber. Kung gusto nyo bilhin at i-download ang aking program. Maraming salamat po. Once again, this is the title. Anim para sa lahat, lahat para sa anim. Studying SM's Manila South Coast Development Corporation and Henbels Investment Corporation, and to discover how the CCBs of NBC do their action of business to serve the people and the economy. Maraming salamat po. Bye. Okay.
Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ako'y nagagalak at kayo'y nagsidalo sa gabi ng Pasko. Ako'y nagagalak at tayo'y nagkaniig kahit konting sandali. Come on in, look at what we've got. There's so much more, there's such a lot. Here at SM, we've got it all.
As long you can provide what they need, what they want, and they will always come back.
Philippine company that is invested in market leading course. Okay. At pag-aaralan natin pala natin by Uniqlo is one of the business branch of Mr. Henry C.
Ang pagsisikap ay hindi madali yan. Kailangan nito ng disiplina. Good practice at hard work. Sumuko na! Madami na akong laban na inarap. Ultimo gera! Implement! Try again! And challenge is an opportunity.
Henry C., the king of Philippine business.